Hello, my name is Takyira Wilson. I have a background in serving in the military as a Harrier GTS mechanic. When I separated, I wanted to do something related more with technology since I've always been curious about the IT field and coding. Discussing topics with a VA advisor, I was told about Savvy Coders and how recommended it was and started the process of enrolling with the program. I'm a very task-driven person, so I decided to make an affirmation habit tracker for my Capstone project. It allows individuals from middle school kids to moms such as myself and beyond to track their progress towards goals while also having a daily affirmation along with an uplifting gift to encourage them along the way. Here's what I've created. So here we have my homepage. I like this quote because it reminds you of tracking your daily habits. The secret of your future is hidden in your daily routine by Mike Murdoch. Here we have the username, password, and the login, but Savvy Coders does not teach authentication in their full stack development program. So here I have coded a dummy button at this event listener to navigate towards where it would pop up if you were to log in. So log in, and here we have our habits page where we will log what habit that we want to create or destroy. I did build this API, and here is the schema for it, the habit, the action, and the start. So let's go in here. Let's say read a chapter a day and then establish, and we'll start this today, and we submit it. All that information is then pulled into the progress page. And here we have the habit that we did create. Also, there was supposed to be a visual implementation here, um, like the habit when you started it and your progression towards everything. But I was not able to find a third-party API calendar that could pull in all this information in time, but that would be for future implementation. So here we have the daily affirmation page. Here is a third-party GIF API that I pulled in. And when you refresh the page, a new one comes on the page. When I coded this to come onto the daily affirmation page, I have it set up to where gifts with the encourage tag are brought into this page. For my user flow, as I was planning this, I did have to omit a few things and add a few things. The home page is essentially all of this put together, but the sign up is omitted. And then the account page is the habit page, where it navigates to where you click on the dummy login button. Then I did put in a progress page, and then you have the daily affirmation page. With my wireframes, the homepage is essentially the same. I do have the quote, and I also have the login button there. As I mentioned, the visual is not there, and it will be implemented in the future, but the tasks, the habits are there. Also, the affirmation page, where you have the daily gift generator that is on the page. With the daily affirmation generator, I did a bunch of research. I was researching all types of inspirational or affirmation APIs. There were more along the lines of inspirational quotes, which is great, but I was looking for something a bit more personable. So I will be creating a affirmation generator in the future and implementing it on my capstone. Um, As far as agile methodologies, I served as a product owner on my Scrum team. So as we were creating backlog items and assigning user stories and just prioritizing what we wanted to accomplish first, I did the same within my capstone. I put functionality in priority, and not much CSS was done as it is pretty simple, not really pretty, but the functionality is there. I am very happy with it. And that is my capstone. If you have any questions or comments, let me know. Thank you.